Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to fold the second and third row seats in the new Ford Expedition. So if you're like me, I was looking around, I couldn't see any latches for this back row seat, but then I realized the way that you do this is they've got these buttons here. It's got 2 and 3. This is for your second row and your third row. You'll see 2L, 2M, 2R. That's for your second row left, middle, right. And then your third row, you're folding down everything, the 3Ls for the third left seat here, which is that big piece. And then your third right seat, so your third row on the right. We'll take a minute, make sure the headrests are folded down, which there's a little button on the side. It's easy to do. And then you can push this button here. This is the folding button. You're gonna push that, and everything's just gonna automatically fold over for you, which is super nice. And then to bring it back up, you can hit that button again, and it will raise right back up for us. So then let's say you just want to do the left side here, you can just go and hit the 3L. It's going to fold over the 3L. Got the second row up there. So what we're going to do, let's say we want to fold over the second left. So we're going to hit the second left button. Just going to fold it right over. Say we want to do the right side. Do the same thing in the middle. So very easy, very nifty, especially you're not having to climb over seats and flip stuff over. I will say the downside of the second row is if you hit the button, it doesn't pop back up. You have to go and do that manually by just lifting it up. So I'll show you that now. So we've got our second row here. Again, to put it back up, you're just gonna lift it and you'll hear it lock into place, and you should be good to go. You can do that with the other rows. Hopefully this was helpful, and please remember to like and subscribe to Big Al Repairs. Thanks and have a great day.